Best Smoker Grill Combos. Number 1. ZGrills ZPG550B Pellet Grill Smoker. In the world of outdoor cooking, the ZGrills ZPG550B Pellet Grill Smoker stands out as a versatile and innovative solution that brings the delightful flavor of wood-smoked food right to your plate. The ZPG550B Pellet Grill Smoker offers a remarkable 8-in-1 cooking experience, embracing a wide array of culinary techniques. Whether you're in the mood to barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, grill, sear, or char grill, this grill has you covered. This level of versatility caters to every craving and culinary aspiration. Experience the authentic taste of wood-smoked food with ZGrills' cutting-edge pellet grill technology. Unlike gas or carbon grills, this technology allows you to infuse your dishes with the genuine flavor of wood smoke. Each bite will transport you to the heart of traditional outdoor cooking, enhancing the overall dining experience. Say goodbye to the days of labor-intensive grill startups and constant monitoring. The ZPG550B pellet grill simplifies the cooking process with its precise temperature control system. Once you set the desired temperature, sit back, relax, and let the grill do the work for you. This means no more babysitting the grill and more time to enjoy the cooking process with your loved ones. Equipped with a spacious cooking area, the ZPG550B ensures you have enough room to satisfy your appetite and the appetites of your guests. The grill features 2 tiers of grill racks, offering a generous 538 square inches of total cooking space. Whether you're cooking for an intimate family dinner or a small gathering, this grill has the capacity to accommodate your needs. Additionally, the removable upper rack adds flexibility by providing extra height for the main surface when needed. Number 2. Royal Gourmet CC2036F. The Royal Gourmet CC2036F is a culinary powerhouse that promises to elevate your outdoor cooking game. This comprehensive review delves into the features that make this grill a must-have for those seeking exceptional cooking space and versatility. Prepare to amaze a crowd with the Royal Gourmet CC2036F's extraordinary cooking area. Boasting a whopping 668 square inches of cooking grates, a 260 square inch warming rack, and an additional 272 square inch offset smoker, this grill is designed to cater to gatherings of 8 to 10 people. The cooking grates, warming rack, and offset smoker are crafted from heavy-gauge porcelain enameled steel wire, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. Experience the art of offset smoking seamlessly with the Royal Gourmet CC2036F. The offset smoker is intelligently attached to the main body, promoting efficient circulation of heat and smoke. This innovative design not only enhances flavor infusion but also provides extra grilling or smoking space for preparing delectable side dishes. Unlock a new level of culinary creativity as you master the delicate art of offset smoking. Harness the power of precise heat control with the CC2036F's adjustable charcoal pan. With 3 height-adjustable levels, this feature empowers you to fine-tune the heat according to your cooking needs. This not only optimizes energy efficiency but also ensures consistent and perfectly cooked dishes. The charcoal pan can accommodate up to 3.5 kilograms of charcoal, making it the ideal companion for hosting large events and celebrations. Number 3. CharBroil 12201570A1. The CharBroil 12201570A1 emerges as a true gem in the world of outdoor cooking, offering a seamless fusion of offset smoking, barbecue, and charcoal grilling. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the features that set this versatile grill apart and make it a must-have for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the CharBroil's exceptional combination of an offset smoker, barbecue, and charcoal grill. This innovative design enables you to explore a wide range of cooking techniques, from infusing smoky flavors to perfectly grilling your favorite meats and creating sumptuous barbecue delights. This grill's versatility is a testament to its commitment to enhancing your culinary experience. With a main chamber boasting a spacious 290 square inches of cooking surface and an additional 140 square inches in the firebox chamber, the CharBroil 12201570A1 ensures you have ample space to create delectable feasts for friends and family. Number 4. Royal Gourmet CC1830S. The Royal Gourmet CC1830S is a grilling masterpiece designed to transform your outdoor cooking experience. Prepare to wow your guests with the Royal Gourmet, boasting an impressive 811 square inches of cooking area. This includes 443 square inches of porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates, a chrome-plated 184 square inch warming rack, and an additional 184 square inches in the offset smoker. With this generous space, you'll have the freedom to create mouth-watering dishes for gatherings of all sizes. Experience the art of smoked flavors with the Royal Gourmet's integrated offset smoker. Designed for optimal heat and smoke circulation, this smoker is firmly attached to the grill, guaranteeing a consistent infusion of tantalizing flavors into your dishes. The easy-to-open side door simplifies charcoal addition and ash removal, while the air vent ignites the fire instantly, enhancing both temperature control and taste. Master the art of controlled cooking with the CC1830S's ingenious adjustable charcoal pan. Featuring 2 height-adjustable levels, this pan empowers you to fine-tune the heat according to your recipes. With a capacity of up to 4.4 pounds of coal, this pan provides steady fuel for your culinary ventures, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Cook with confidence using the lid-mounted thermometer gauge of the Royal Gourmet. This invaluable tool lets you closely monitor and regulate the cooking temperature, ensuring that each dish is cooked to perfection. Bid farewell to guesswork and embrace the precision of temperature control for consistently excellent results. Number 5. ZGrills 700D. Unleash your inner grill master with the ZGrills 700D, a culinary powerhouse that redefines outdoor cooking. Experience a new dimension of grilling and smoking with the ZGrills 700D's remarkable 8-in-1 functionality. From smoking and baking to roasting, searing, braising, barbecuing, and char grilling, this grill empowers you to explore a diverse range of cooking techniques. Just set the desired function and let the grill work its magic, eliminating the need for constant supervision. Infuse your dishes with the rich smoky flavor of healthy wood pellets, elevating your culinary creations to a whole new level, with an impressive 700 square inches of grilling space. The ZGrills 700D effortlessly accommodates up to 30 burgers, 6 rib racks, or 5 whole chickens. Whether you're cooking for your family, hosting a party, or enjoying a tailgating adventure, this grill offers the space you need to cater to your guests' appetites. Assembling and moving the grill is a breeze, adding to its convenience and versatility. Achieve precise and consistent results with the 700D's smart temperature control system. The automated electric feed system maintains temperatures ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection. The smart digital controller keeps temperatures within a tight /20 degrees Fahrenheit range, offering the ease of setting the grill temperature with a simple turn of a dial. Say goodbye to temperature fluctuations and hello to flawless cooking outcomes. Thanks for watching. We have included product link in the description. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.